go with it.
Yeah, we got fortunate last week. We had the rain without the crazy stuff. This week we'll see how it goes. But today, some blue skies starting to kind of filter on in amongst the cloud cover here out of our Sherman Chevrolet Cadillac Tower Cam. Temperatures comfortable out there today, 73 degrees, but south winds have been fairly strong with gusts well over 25. Sustained right now at about 18, and they are going to be strong tonight and again into Wednesday. That will give us an elevated fire danger concern Wednesday afternoon, mainly out to the west of the dry line. Temperatures warm on up tomorrow, high of 78 degrees. A low chance for some thunderstorms by the afternoon. That's going to be a conditional risk for severe weather. And what we mean by that, that's the cap or the lid on the atmosphere that acts as a stop sign to any type of rising motion. And because we're going to be waiting and watching for warmer temperatures and dry line action tomorrow, we will see if we get storms or not. If storms are over to overcome that cap and break it, then we'll get enough rising motion that we'll start to see thunderstorm development mainly along the I-35 corridor. If we do get storms, quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds, and a low tornado threat on the way 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday. So far, the data has not landed on storm chances for tomorrow, really not bringing in much activity. If we do get a storm with a tornado threat, it'll be between Ada, Ardmore, and up towards Pauls Valley, kind of those 3 or 4 counties across Texoma. Everyone else not looking at a tornado threat tomorrow besides those few counties. But the dry line moves in. If we see storms again along that, then by Thursday, this is the much better risk for storm activity. This cold front going to be arriving, pushing south. We could have storms going fairly early in the day to Thursday. Here's 10:30 a.m. Thursday morning with already activity pulsing on through. Initially isolated cells, they would have all hazards with them through the morning and into the afternoon, and we'll continue to see this cold front very slowly working its way off to the south and southeast with a couple round of storms possible there, even extending into late Thursday night and early Friday morning. That finally clears by about 2 a.m. Friday. We're left with clouds and potentially more rain on the way Friday morning into Friday afternoon and Saturday. But Friday and Saturday's rain chances will not be severe, just some showers, clouds extending for most of the weekend. Here's your severe weather risk for Wednesday. Level 1 marginal risk there for everyone. Then by Thursday, that level 2 slight risk for everyone across Texoma. All hazards in play both days. 1 to 2 inches of rain could be possible, but not for everyone. Some of the I-35 corridor could see only about 1/4 of an inch of rain. And then by the weekend, we're in the 60s. The low is going to be in the 40s and 50s. We'll be in the 60s out the door tomorrow morning with afternoon high temperatures climbing back into the 70s east to 80s along the I-35 corridor. And a look at that 7-day forecast sponsored by K&M Roofing and Construction. A cool start to next week with 60s and sunshine.